Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Artic air cooler for you. It's an evaporative air cooler, which I'll show you how it works and stuff and what it does. So yeah, let's have a look at the box. By the way, I've already opened this once before, just to so I can give you a proper review of how it works and stuff and what the downsides and stuff, because otherwise I can't tell you just from the spot. So sorry about that. But yeah, okay. So it says quick and easy way to cool any space. Artic air evaporated air cooler. It's got LED mood light, backlit on and off, top fill water tank, very easy to fill, fan speed low, medium and high. I'll speak about that in a second as well. Plugs into wall outlets, so USB ports. This is really good, it can actually work off a power bank and stuff. Multi-directional air vent, evaporative air filter, cools, humidifies and purifies air. Includes Artic air, USB cord, wall adapter. That didn't come with it though, I don't know why, but yeah, that's not a problem anyway because I got loads. Alright, built-in mood lights, different colors, and there's also one mode that changes colors constantly, as you can see. Let's have a look at the sides. So this is how it works. Secret is evaporative air cooling technology. Simply fill Artic air with water, plug it into any standard outlet, then turn it on. The powerful yet compact space cooler pulls warm air through the room. This explaining how it works. Pulls warm air through the room through its evaporative water filter to fill any space with cool, clean, comfortable air fast. That becomes cool, moist air. Gets hot, dry air. So this only works in hot, dry climates, by the way, which is okay for my house because in the summer right now I'm in the UK. It does get a bit dry, so it's really helpful. It's actually good for this, I guess. It cools down, humidifies and purifies. Runs for up to 8 hours per fill. That's one about the water. That's actually true. I'll give that a yes. That's definitely true. Eco-friendly. I was actually trying to get rid of the water as fast as I could, but I couldn't. I was trying to use it all day. It actually takes a long time to get rid of. Artic air. Could be because my house is a bit not dry. But yeah, it is dry but not too dry. It's not the best conditions for this to work in, I guess. Living rooms, it can be used in offices, kitchens, bathrooms. This is also known as a personal cooler. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this personal air cooler, whatever. So as you can see already, just take this out. Wow. Okay, so that's the air cooler itself. Then you got a box in here. Oh, this box smells. I'm going to throw it away. I guess so. You've got this here. Inside this is a manual and the charger cable, but I've took charge cable off of obviously to try out. So let's just have a look at the manual. So you got the air cooler user guide, cool, purify, humidify. These are actually pretty bad thingies, instructions by the way. Okay, place air cooler on flat surface, plug USB, blah blah blah. Nothing else here. Alright, let's see. Filter should be changed every 6 months. I'll talk about that as well. Yes. It's got warranty 1 year. I don't know who it's with though, so we got different languages here. So yeah, not much else in this. So I'll put this back in and we'll have a look at the item itself, and I'll show you how it works and the downsides and the upsides and stuff like that. Bloody hell! I'm going to take out the packet now. Oh, it's wet. Even after I dried it out completely, it's still wet. Can you see? Can you see that water? So that's one of the bad downsides. It leaks. Oh my god, it's still leaking now. What the fuck? Show you that there. Can you see it leaking there? Alright, so this is the air cooler itself. Let me just put this out on a towel or something. Oh my god. It's gonna be hard to review, guys. Let me just move that away. Alright guys, so this is the top. You got the power button. This is the fan speed button. It's got 3 speeds of fanning. The first setting is low. Second setting is medium, but the medium is it doesn't do anything. It's the same as the low pretty much. So there's only low and high, unless this is a faulty model, but I don't know. So I guess it's same on all of them. And the high setting is highest speed fan, which is normal, which is good. And then you got this, that's the light thing, and the light appears on this side here. Alright guys, so the one downside I've already said is the medium setting doesn't actually do anything extra. Alright, so I'm going to show you here. Got this fan thing here. So you got to make sure it's always in the middle or higher, so you can actually feel it on your face or body. Because I left it down like this a bit and I couldn't feel it. Then I realized and put it up and you can feel it better. So it's easy to take this off, very easy. Just pull it up like that. Very easy. So this is what this is the actual thing itself, filter paper and whatever. And I'll show you. I've only used this for about 8 hours, pretty much how long it says it lasts. Oh, look at that water, guys. Ah, bloody hell. Right, so this is soaking wet, by the way. Can you see? Yeah, soaking wet. Alright, I'll show you what the filter looks like now. This is another downside of this. Look at that. Can you see how it's all gone orange? Let me turn my flash off, otherwise you can see anyway. 1 day and it's already less than 1 day, quarter of a day, and the filter is already degrading. It's a very bad filter, I'm guessing, so that's not good. But oh well, I'm gonna return it anyway and get a better one, maybe a new filter. A new filter costs quite a bit, to be fair. Alright, so there's the fan itself. It's quite powerful. So how this works is, you put water in the side here, which you pour in through there. The water then, there's 2 holes, comes into this reservoir here. Yeah, and then these, can you see how they're shaped? These will get wet. The water will soak up, upwards. That fan will keep spinning. It's constantly spinning, and when it'll push through, it'll push that air through there. Oh shit, that's leaking. It's very wet still. But yeah, the fan will push the air through here, and that'll come out this fan, this side here, and it'll come out cooler than normal, because that hot air is coming in through the back into that and then cooling down. That's how it's similar to how our body works with sweat and stuff. When we get hot, the body reacts by making sweat, and the sweat is going to cool off your skin by evaporating in the hot air. So it's pretty cool. They simply use that technology in this, and that's a pretty good idea, to be fair. Alright guys, I'm going to fill this up with water so you can see what it's like. I'll actually fill it up with water here. Should I fill it up? Yeah, I'll fill it up with water here so you can see the reservoirs getting filled up as well. I'm going to wipe this again, just in case. Alright guys, fill it up with water now. I might plug it on as well so you can see the light. I'll just show you the light and stuff as well. So the light is actually, lights on the side, yeah. You got 3 LEDs in there, you can actually see them. This part you can't take off because the fan's attached to it. And there's the micro USB. It's not chargeable, so it has to be constantly plugged in. But it only uses 5 volts at 2 amps, which is typical mobile phone charger. So that's not very high powered. It's very good for energy and money, whatever, for how much power it gets out. So yeah, I'll show you what it looks like with LEDs on right now. 1 second guys. Alright guys, I got my power bank, so it can literally be powered off a power bank. That's how low power it is. So that's 2.1 amps at 5 volts, or you could do this one you can do 9 volts at 1.8 amps, which is quick charge on Samsung phones. The old Samsung phones, the newer Samsung phones are even quicker, which is 12 volts at lower amp. But yeah, let's plug this in. Just move this shit out of the way. Okay guys. Ooh, power bank switched off because it has an auto switch off mode. If you don't plug something into it in like 10 seconds, it switches off. There you go guys. Can you hear it? Okay, so that's power setting 1. I might turn the light off so you can see the LEDs better. Okay, so let me turn my flash off as well if I can. Yeah, can you see the light there? Yeah, it's not helping much, is it? But yeah, that's fan number 1, fan speed 1. Can you see the fan there? I'm going to put this in the second setting on. No difference. The second setting is like it doesn't exist. Can you tell? And there's literally no difference in the air cooling from this either. And then third setting, can you hear it go faster and faster? Higher RPM. That's pretty nice. Now let's look at the side. There's the LED. It's actually more visible in person, but because my flash is on, it's very hard to see. So you got the green, blue, light green, purple, light blue, white, off, and this is the color changing one, I think. Yeah, it's color changing, can you see? Slowly color changes different colors, yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna fill this up with water and then I'll show you the rest. Alright, you're gonna need a jug or something to fill this up. You just simply pull that out and then fill it up like that. So I'm gonna do that. Alright guys, it's recommended that you don't fill it up to the top, so I'm not gonna fill it up to the top. And yeah, I'll just pour it in for you guys so you can see. You literally just put it in. You can actually put ice in here as well. It helps a lot. It dramatically makes it cooler. I'll tell you the difference in a second as well. I might be able to include it in somewhere, I don't know. So can you see how I'm filling it up still? Oops, sorry guys. It's nearly full already. That's with this much water in. If this leaks, this is going to be a big problem, guys. Alright, so the water's here now. Can you see? Okay, so the water's not actually in yet. I'm going to lower the camera a bit so you can see better. So can you see the water slowly filling up there? Slowly filling up there. Can you see that? These reservoirs here. So let me turn the fan on. Oh wait, the power bank's turned off again. Auto shut off. So the fan itself is actually creating vibrations which causes the water to actually soak in even faster down here, which is pretty cool. I want to put the air filter back on. And then, ooh, that's dirty as fuck. Look at that. I don't like it. The filter's gone bad. And it's literally been used for a few hours. I hope this I can, bloody hell. Very tight fit, but it gets in eventually. Okay, so can you see the legs there? They're going to fall into the water there. Can you see how it's gone into the water? Simply fits right into the water. Trying to get this to sit properly, but it doesn't seem to want to. There you go. Yeah, that's a good fit there. Okay. Feels a bit off though. I'm not sure. Yeah, that should be alright. Hopefully. So what you're gonna do now, simply plug this back in like that. Okay, and then voila. Let's turn this on again. I keep forgetting. There you go. Now this actually gives out a lot of cool air. Very, very cool, by the way, guys. You put full setting. Oh my god. Oh, that's nice. I'll get a piece of kitchen roll. Let me try zoom out a bit. Gives quite a breeze, as you can see. This facing a bit more higher up, so if I put it right down there, you can see it flowing. So it gives out a good breeze. It's quite powerful. To be honest, it does cool down your room pretty quickly. It actually works at cooling your whole room down. It's, I'll turn it off now and I'll give you whatever it is. So as you can see, it does leak a bit, so that's an issue. You have to fix that as well. If you tilt it tiny bit or move it about, it'll start leaking, as you can see. So this is very dangerous, you're having a lot of water in. But you can see the water in the corners here. I swear I filled it more than that. Whoa, I filled the water right to the top, it's emptied already. So what's happened already is the water's been soaked into that evaporative cooling sponge thing, the filter. Already been soaked in fully. So half of that's gone already, that's pretty cool. And then it slowly adds on, yeah. So that's pretty nice. So it does work how it does work, but yeah, the filter's bad, that's the only problem, I guess. And the leaking, and yeah, and the fan. There's a few problems, but for what it does, it's very good. It's actually good. It cools down the air and stuff. I'd buy it if I was you, if you want to use it for temporary use. Just through the summer, it's alright. It's about £20 as well, so it's worth the try. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and goodbye.